And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This came out in October, so kind of suddenly popped up to one of the top selling items. And I'll tell you why. It's $47. I like to start at the finish. So $47. It auto creates word puzzle books in minutes. So if you think you could make money putting up word puzzle books on Amazon, this auto creates it for you. So it's a pretty impressive piece of software that creates everything. Let's have a look inside at all the stuff that it does. Transform simple word puzzles into profit-driven books. You can create professional puzzle books in just a few clicks without any experience or design skills. Everything is fast, automated, ready for you to publish and sell. Let's take a look at this. There's a lot of little things I'll scream through and blah, blah, blah with stuff. What if one could do it? Obviously puzzle books, so you can make money. I want to screen past all that. You're gonna be a billionaire, you're gonna be a zillionaire. Okay, there we go. Hey, don't scroll past now. Here's where it gets real. So there we go. It just dropped from 100% down to 1 because it's click, click, boom, and you're done. List of words. Look at this on the right. You got to come up with an idea. What is your and that can be grabbed from ChatGPT. So you can start with one word and go, give me 50 related words. So think about an animal, think about planets, think about presidents, think about mountains, think about countries, think about states, and so on, right? All those words. So you just get them the list. I'll scroll back up to that. You give them the list of words, hit create, boom. You got crosswords. And you're going to create a series of these. And it's going to do it for you. I'll let you watch the demo video there. Drop in any word list and watch it transform into a professional word filling puzzle page in minutes. No stress, no get. It's all done. And so the cool thing is, like I say, you can start on ChatGPT for free and just give me a word list related to. So you need one word, then you get a list, then you get puzzles. Bam. Magic with one tool. Here you go. Upload your word list, customize your page, book size, grid size, available words, yada, 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 how many puzzles. Create the page quickly, or the page, so that's one page. Download your pages. So you got, say, 50 pages. Download all your pages, and you're ready to go. You've got a book. You've got a book ready to upload to Amazon. You've got support in the whole 9 yards. Everything is there. Again, make it your way, word library, download and publishing, ready to publish in one click. So you can see how quickly this goes, ensures each file is KDP ready, looks great on Etsy or your own store, and away you go. And the training is there too. So if we come down a bit further, you're going to make those kind of puzzles, and it's going to cost you... Oh, come on. Get me down to the bottom. $47. There we go. Okay, so click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click on the product box at the top. You can scroll to the bottom of a little bit of a list. Scroll on the bottom for the word fill-in profit machine. $47, full consumer rights. Upload up to 1,000 of your own words at once, ensuring endless originality and unique puzzle variations. There's a ready-made collection of 1,000 hand-picked words across diverse topics. So this will kickstart the puzzle ideas, a complete publishing course, quick video training, and of course, the word fill-in puzzle tool creates these word fill-in puzzles. So click the link, go check it out, $47. One of the top sellers right now, it's called Word Fill-In Profit Machine. Auto creates these word puzzle books in minutes. What more could you ask for? I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the video description and go check out the Word Fill-In Profit Machine. Enjoy.